Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our night AI. Let me tell you that in this game we will have two types of night. The first one will be which will walk inside this waypoints, and the next one will be a kind of a guard. Okay, he will stand in one place, and when the player gets near the knight, then the knight will attack. Okay, so let's add the first knight which will walk inside this waypoints, and if he saw the player, then the knight will come and try to kill the player. Okay, so if you open up the knight animations and then open up the knight one, right here we have the animations for this knight. Okay, if you drag and drop the knight, as you can see, it is working on this knight perfectly fine. Okay, this is because in our previous videos we have set up the rig and everything for this knight. And if you click on the knight, you will notice that the knight has this script by the name of night AI. So what we will do, we will simply open this up, and in this video we will make the knight walk inside the waypoints. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will get back right here, and in the scripts folder let's open up the traffic AI and then the character navigator script, because as you know that on the character navigator we are moving the AI characters in the waypoints. Okay, so this code will be using on this night AI as well, because this code will do our work. Okay, it will make the night AI walk inside the waypoints. So we need these variables and then the update method as well, then the walk method and the locate destination as well. So just copy this whole thing and get back right here to the night AI, and what we will do, we will simply paste it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the code. Let me move these variables from here to the top. Okay, right here, so we will simply paste it. Let me move this maximum health and current health right here at the top. Okay, then we have the start, the update method, then the walk and the locate destination. Now we will be doing some changes in this code as well, and that will be, if we move right here at the top, after the moving speed we will create another float by the name of running speed. Okay, and then we will create another float which will be by the name of current moving speed. Then right here when the game start, okay, we will set the current moving speed to the moving speed, and then whenever this walk method is called, we will also set the current moving speed to moving speed, and then instead of moving speed right here we will call the current moving speed. And the reason we have created this moving speed and then running speed is because when the player is walking inside the waypoints, then the speed will be the moving speed, for example 1 or 2. But for example, if the night AI sees the player, then as you know that the knight will run towards the player, so that's why, for that reason, we created this running speed, and the running speed will be, for example, 3 or 4. Okay, and then we can't just call moving speed and running speed like that, so that's why I've created this current moving speed, in which when the player is walking, then the current speed will be the moving speed, and then later in the videos, if the night AI will be chasing the player, then the current moving speed will be equals to the running speed. Okay, so now we have the walk and everything set up right here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is save the script, get back to Unity, then click on night, and right here let's create another script by the name of night waypoint navigator. Okay, because now we need to tell the knight that what will be your previous and next waypoint. So let's open the script. Here it is. With this script, also open up the waypoint navigator script as well, and what we will do, we will simply copy this code from the waypoint navigator, then click on night waypoint navigator script, paste it right here, and then right here, instead of the character navigator script, now we will be needing a reference to the night AI script. Okay, we will leave this as character, the name of the reference, and right here, instead of the character navigator, we will type night AI as well, and that will simply do the work. Then if we save the script, get back to Unity, and guys, make sure that you do this step by step with me, okay? Don't get confused in it. Okay, so save the script, get back to Unity. Let me move this night to the bottom, and as you can see, here is the night AI script. And now let's also drag and drop the night waypoint navigator script right there. As you can see, it needs now the current waypoint. Okay, so we will be adding the current waypoint, but now let's just set the moving speed and running speed. For now, let's just make this as 2 and 4. The current moving speed will be automatically assigned, and everything else is set up. Okay, then let's assign the current waypoint. So for example, we will set this waypoint 13 as the current waypoint for the night. So drag and drop that in there. Okay, and then if we play the game, you will notice the night will be moving inside the waypoints. As you can see, the night is moving in the backward directions, now in the previous waypoint direction actually, as you can see. Okay, and when you click on the night, you will notice the night current waypoint changing right there. Okay, so now as you can see, the night can now also walk inside this waypoints. Now in the next video we will work on our night even more, and with this done, let's end this video right here.